Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. This might be the most helpful lesson for you to improve your English vocabulary. Let's see the different ways to say learn as a verb with examples. Study is a quite known verb that means a detailed investigation and analysis of a subject or situation. Example: he wanted to study language at a top university. Acquire, which means learn or develop a skill, habit or quality. Example: she has been acquiring great knowledge of engineering. Master, which means gain complete knowledge or skill. Example: they quickly mastered new technologies. Pick up means obtain or learn something which is used especially in an informal way. Example: she picked up Spanish very quickly. Take in, to fully understand or absorb something heard or seen. Example: he took in the scene at a glance. Absorb, to fully understand information, ideas, or experience. Example: she absorbed the information in silence. Perceive, to become aware of through the senses. Example: I could perceive the ship coming over the horizon. Assimilate, to take up mentally. Example: he assimilated the knowledge or beliefs of his tribe. Get the hang of means learn how to operate or do something. Example: he was finally getting the hang of his job. Train means develop and improve a particular skill through practice. Example: Chris trains the Olympic team. Hit the books means to begin to study in a serious and determined way. Example: it's time to turn off the computer and hit the books. Grasp, an intellectual hold or understanding. Example: his work is beyond my grasp.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, throw it to me in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon for more videos. Stay tuned.